This is a long-seated bilateral cable row in a wide grip. Now, you might be prescribed either a palm-down pronated grip or a supinated grip, or even a neutral grip if you have a cable hookup or attachment that will allow you to do that. My setup here is going to be in a supinated position. So we're going to set up in that long-seated position where we can feel the bony part of our bum. So that's the ischial tuberosities there. So there should be those 2 points of our sit bones that we can feel. We want to get nice and tall in this position, and we're going to allow that cable to slightly protract our shoulder blades to start the movement. Now, depending on your cable setup, if you're at a gym with a proper horizontal row machine where you've got your feet positioned that you can put there, that's great. But if you're at a different cable setup, you might need something like a plate, and that way you can counteract that weight depending on your setup. So I'm going to use my feet up against this edge of the rack. That works for me here. So grabbing a hold of your cable, feet in that counterweight position and in that long seated position here. So I can feel my sit bones. I'm letting the cable machine slightly protract my shoulder blades. Not enough that I kind of lose height in my skeleton, but just a little bit of a reach here. From here, I'm going to exhale, draw those elbows back, inhale on the way back. So I'm leading with my elbows. You'll notice that my elbows go just to about midline or just past midline, and then on the way back. We want to make sure that we don't extend through our back as we row. That's a common mistake that you'll see here. So make sure that we stay nice and tall through the movement the entire time. It can also be easy to kind of get up into the shoulders too, but usually that cue with the elbows helps clear that up.